Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction settings on this device. Firstly, click on Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then you need to click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. After that, tap on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are located here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the one of your choosing. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!